Hi everyone, I'm Venus Galope, and today I want to introduce you to one of the most natural ways to combat the signs of aging, PRP therapy, or platelet-rich plasma therapy. As we age, our skin naturally loses collagen, elasticity, and that youthful glow, but PRP offers a way to rejuvenate your skin using your body's own healing powers. PRP therapy begins with a simple blood draw, much like a routine blood test. We then process your blood to concentrate the platelets, which are rich in growth factors that promote healing and regeneration. When re-injected into targeted areas of the face, PRP helps stimulate collagen production, improve skin texture, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. One of the most beautiful aspects of PRP is that it's completely natural. We're using your body's own cells to enhance and rejuvenate your skin. There are no synthetic fillers or chemicals, just your own body working to renew and refresh itself. It's perfect for those who are looking for a natural, non-surgical way to address the signs of aging. PRP therapy is often used to improve the under eye area, where many people experience thinning skin, dark circles, and wrinkles. It can also be used to treat other areas of concern, such as smile lines, crow's feet, and even scars. The results are gradual and natural looking, with improvements continuing over several weeks as your skin produces new collagen. The treatment is quick, usually taking less than an hour, and there's minimal downtime.